state for him. Lord, you open doors.
From Origwe, and all of us are from Origwe. We don't fear anybody. Now we be the structure. Yes, so we came from Obio. I have served him and I've worked with him. We know him. Now God they give power. Once your own don't go, you're done. What goes around comes around. When you do a mechi, you know nothing I say go be. So for us, now turn by turn. The man where you say you don't go come for food. The man where you say he don't go give you money. The man where you say I don't go do anything with her. I don't be former governor. The man where they make him believe us for making a share. You say man, yes, so we gonna get shame. Now God they give power. Now God doesn't say Fubara go be governor. Make we can leave Fubara alone. I made you don't worry. People don't serve as governor. Or they don't serve. I made you serve. If you don't serve, I made you an opportunity. If you don't be governor. Now the open mind where Chibika I made you give weekend. Every weekend. Look at our resources. Carry the governor. If Chibika I made you no opportunity. If you don't we are in day. So now turn by turn. Fubara go be governor. Turn by turn. Now the opportunity where Chibika makes you give. Now if they say that you make Fubara, now somebody make you chairman 1999. Now somebody give you chairman and say come give you chief of staff. Jonathan and their wife make you governor against all. How you treat them? How you treat them? As in the treat us. They give them for OJ, they collect them back. So now pay back time. Make a tell her nothing they happen. We don't fear anybody. If Martin Samuel will say win election, he can't tell us. In election, I will write the results. Because Labour Party win all the we don't get Jinda. They don't win the election. So I want to assure everybody that is here, that will have a governor that loves people, that loves our people. One governor that have human face. Don't be person who go use you, dump you.
Ambassador Chido ke iko mono cannot number you.
Don't be person who go use you, dump you. Yes, so we gonna use and dump. All those people that don't know for social media, I pity them.
And Ambassador Chido ke who in particular. And I want to thank God for the opportunity He has given to me. At least I know the nooks and crannies of Obio local government very well. And when somebody like me is involved, you should know that the hand of God is there. And they say that our governor does not have structure. We are the structure. I can't be a former local government chairman that has produced members of the House of Assembly, members of the House of Rep, senators, governors, and even presidents. And then you say we don't have structure. It is structure that we use in doing all those magic. And all of you, we are part of that journey. And so, Obio is 100% simplified. And that is the truth. Nobody can take it away. And I want to say it without any fear or favor, that our brother, Ambassador Chijoke, have given all of us a good face in the Committee of Local Government in this state. The governor has respect and recognizes Obio, because our son, Chijoke, National Chairman of Youth Council, River State Chapter, has been able to make us proud, and we are proud of him. We will continue to work with him, his leadership, his executives, everything he has. We will work together, we'll join forces together to ensure, the 17 wards of Obio Akpor local government area, to ensure that same movement gets to all the nooks and crannies. After now, we will be going unit by unit to sensitize the people and to tell the people that the structure of SIM is even in the units. And so we are solidified. Before I come down, I want to tell you that before now, what we have is when we finish working, then we'll dump people who have worked for them. But in SIM movement, SIM have promised all of us, he has demonstrated in less than 1 year that he appreciates whatever you have done for him. That we are gathering here today, SIM appreciate it. And you will begin to see it in a very few months from now. You will begin to see all the dividend of democracy that he has in stock for the people. It's not a promised thing. It's something you will begin to see. And thank God you have your son there, Ambassador Chijoke, who is there, freely represented. There's no way you'll be forgotten. I can assure you that. You will be at the forefront. You will be remembered. You will be empowered. In SIM movement, there is no use and dump. There's no use and dump. It is after working, you will be rewarded. So, what you have requested here, be rest assured that Ambassador Chijoke will take it to the governor. He will consider it, and those things that are necessary to be done must be done. And you will see it. Everybody will see it with their eyes. So I want to thank you for coming out in this great number, even though we heard that because you fixed this occasion here today, they started fixing occasion all over Origwe today. But even at that, that did not stop you from coming out in your number to give our governor this respect. I say God bless all of you in Jesus' name. Thank you for what you have done.
One man that is a single majority, a man that has capacity, a man that has built bridges across the 23 local governments in Rivers State. The man I love. Need me to stand on already established protocol. I'm here just for a simple mission to bring to you the solidarity support of the people of Ikwere local government. Some people have said former this, former that, former chief of staff to the chairman of Ikwere local government. Yes, there comes in a man's life when you will decide to follow the truth. I know no slave master will want his slaves to go. Rivers State has been portrayed to be in an individual pocket. But today, the Nigerian people can feel and see that everybody has a choice. That we decided to follow you does not mean that we are your Mugu. Ikwere people are warriors in their right. So when we decide to follow you, we are following you out of love. If you remember, when the former governor Rotimi Amechi felt that he has arrived and he dared Rivers people told him we are not going to follow you. Did we follow him? No. So if we give you opportunity and you want to play with our sensibility, we will tell you that you do not have the authority to control our vote. And Michael, me, those that know me know that I anchored the campaign of SIM in the 23 local governments, including the GDI. At that level of suffering, one man will come and tell me to pay transport to Abuja. I know where Abuja is. On a go pay transport go Abuja. Abuja too far. We like backyard here, where we can trek and go. Let me tell you why you need to support SIM Fubara. Rivers State people supported when Odile was the governor of Rivers State. We came together and gave him the support for the 8 years he led Rivers people. Not be so. When Amechi became governor, we came together and supported him. And he ruled for 8 years. Not be so. When the minister of FCT became governor, we supported him for 8 years. Not be so. See, Fubara will also be supported for 8 years. If other people say, we are here for Sim Fubara. We are here to support Sim Fubara. Now, Sim Fubara go lead us. We don't agree making lead us. He go continue to lead us, so because he brought him to us and we are supporting him. But I just have one single message to take home. This is Obio local government. This is the word of the speaker of Martins Amehule. This is his word, word 1. People are gathering, nobody is killing each other. Everybody is doing their business. The Constitution guarantees you of freedom of association. You have a right to make your choice as long as you are above 18 years. This is the local government of the minister. Nobody is killing each other. People are gathering, expressing their feelings. And he come to Akpor local government because one monster, because he had the opportunity to be a local government chairman, say his people cannot gather. Can he intimidate us? No. That is why we showed him and we have told him we will continue to gather. This same message will go from the ward to the unit. SIM is existing in the 319 wards in Rivers State. SIM is existing in the 4,470 something polling units. So nobody will tell you it's the structure. All of us are the no one man is structure. Structure is me and you. On election day, you cannot be in Obio and be in Ikwere. You cannot be in Ikwere and be in Abua. You cannot be in Abu and be in Eche. Which means everybody has a role to play. Not be so. My dear brother Ambassador Chidoke Humo, you have not made only Obio people proud. You have made people like us very proud. We are proud of you. We love you. Continue. Forget the distractions. You will be called names. You know, the day you decide not to follow, they will say you don't have political value. I left on the 27th. On the 26th or thereabout, I resigned as the chief of staff of the Akpor local government. Those of you that are social media friendly, you will see that there is too much problem in the Akpor local government now. Because I've told the man, I know you, you know me. I know where to block you. And I will block him until the Akpor local government will be completely simplified. Rivers State will be completely simplified. I join you in this celebration to say, no matter the story they tell us, if you will remember, in 2015, before the primary election, they told us minister will not resign. He resigned. He will not win. He won. He will not. In 3 months, he won. Story waiting for road plenty. Sin will be removed, no problem. Sin will be this, no problem. Sin cannot talk, no problem. We want sin to lead us. Not be so. We want sin to lead us. Not be so. If you do your own, I do my own. Life now turn by turn. We will follow Sim Fubara. We will follow Chidoke Huo. We will support you and support our people. Thank you and God bless you.
Okay, everybody should shift from them. We want to be seeing them directly, please.
Abemana, just give them small
Please.
Please just give them small breathing space. Please, ladies and gentlemen, the next thing on my list now is to...
After all the evil plan that they made to see how they are going to obstruct this event, but to the glory of God, we have this kind of crowd and we are here live and direct. I'm a cow. Let me start by telling us the reason why we are here. We are here in solidarity with our executive governor, the authentic governor of Rivers State, Sir Simlaye Fubara Joseph. We are here to inform the governor that all Igwe Ward 1 is for him. No matter what they are planning, whatever thing they are planning, those of them that feel they are God, they are not God. God said, you cannot take my glory. You cannot share his glory with anybody. God is God. God is not a man. So we are here for Simlaye Fubara. We are in solidarity with him to show him that Origwe is for him. Origwe comprises of 4 communities: Elimbu, Rumehwara, Rumunju, Elos, that made up Origwe. For all the plan, let me tell us one story. It was a councillor for 6 years in Obio, leader. He became an assembly member 8 years with Amechi. Also assembly member under 8 years with Wike. How many years now? Present member again for Sim. Has he called people one day to say he wants to give you money? Has he called you to say thank you for what you've done for me? Have you said something? But today, he's the one now moving from one place to another, wanting to share money. He said, come, I want to give you 50,000. I want to give you 100,000. This is somebody that used to give 200,000 for all Igwe Ward 1 to share. 200,000. But today, because our son, our energetic son, the rugged son, Ambassador Chioke Humo,
Put your hands together for him.
the youth president of Rivers State, have come to shake the place and to say, my people, you must be liberated. And today we are liberated. And today we are happy to be with Sim. And we are for Sim. We are not those kind of pep things that will be in APC and you be in PDP. We are PDP and we remain in PDP. I'm a cow. I'm a cow. You are welcome. Thank you.
I want to stand on the existing protocol to first say a very big thank you to my principal and my boss, Ambassador, His Youthfulness, Ambassador Chijoke Ehunwo, who has brought the Rivers people to a limelight. Because if not for him, with the help of some persons, our governor would have been pitched last time. But he stood up and mobilized the Rivers youth and said no to Godfatherism in Rivers State. Nobody is more Rivers State than anybody. All of us, we are all Rivers people. So the one man cannot colonize Rivers State. Now, if you see the recent development going on, the governor has paid the civil servants 100 Christmas bonus. He has also paid the coppers Christmas bonus. Has all these things been happening before? No, it has not been happening. Now, I want to also let us know that most time when they say some persons are in the House of Assembly, the likes of Honorable Martin Zamewule, when they do some town hall project that doesn't worth any amount, we'll all be celebrating, we'll all be jubilating. I want to ask us something. Are you aware that just a letter written by the Rivers State House of Assembly, just a letter to any oil multinational, any oil company, just that letter, recommendation letter, can give you an employment? I want to ask Obio youth that are here today, how many of us has been employed in any company under the leadership of Honorable Martin Zamewule? How many of us has been employed in any, has done any empowerment under leadership of Martin Zamewule? So today, we have seen it that the youth has come to take over, and will take over. Let me also inform you that the people that has been ruling Rivers State are people that has been in government since 1999. Yes, how old were you then? Most of them, when the former governor of Rivers State, the now minister of FCT, when he became the local government chairman, he was 20-something years. When Martin Abewule became councillor, he was about 19 to 20 years. Now let's check all the youth of Obio. Check our age here. Most of us, we don't even have job. We don't even have a good home. But still yet, so one person has stayed as House of Assembly for how many years? For 20 years or 18 years. How many persons has been empowered? But just Youth Council Chairman of Rivers State, I know how many persons has been employed in Rivers State and in Obio. Ambassador Chijoke Hunwo has empowered the people of Rumunduru. If he has not empowered the people of Rumunduru, I throw this challenge to all of you here. Why is the youth president of Rumunduru here? Why is the former youth president of Rumunduru here? Why are the past escorts of Rumunduru youth? Why are they all here? Why are the chief and council member here? That is to show that he has empowered his people. So at this point, who you go follow? Don't be who know road. Now who be the best way know road? Don't be Ambassador Chijoke Hunwo. Don't be him who go follow. After Ambassador Chijoke Hunwo, when you say more follow, don't be Sim. We don't go follow Sim. We don't go follow Sim. So I beg everybody day in day. I beg. Make we day our day. Day your day. Nobody.
To let you know that the Muslim sisters in the state, they are for Sim. And let's say Islamic sisters. And let's say to the law for the Islamic affairs. Yes, I know our mayor is Muslim. His heart is with Sim. He's not against our coming here. So what I want to let you know today, me and my Muslim sisters, these are the escorts of Islamic sisters. We cut across the state and outside the state.
Put your hands together for them.
So we are for Him and we continue to be with Him. With this opportunity you are giving us, whenever you need us, call us. We are ever ready to work with you and to work with you. We have our youth. We are more than 1,000. But because they called us when we are in the mosque yesterday, we choose the escort that we are in the meeting to come and attend this country. We really appreciate. And we continue to work with you. Our leader, we are in your word. Most of us are in your word. Majority are in your word. So please continue to work with you. Invite us when you are ready. Sam, you know us very well. I know maybe you have forgotten. In WSL. I love you.
Please just give them small breathing space. Please, ladies and gentlemen, the next thing on my list now is to. Please, the women, get ready. The women, get ready. Anything we go do them briefly. Mr. Kingsley Wapara, please. Mr. Kingsley Wapara. Immediately after that, the women, get ready for your performance. The women, please, the women, get ready. The women, get ready. Anything we go do them briefly.
Fubara, Government Hospital, Rivers State, sir. Another by Sapi Okene JP, presented to the Executive Governor of Rivers State on the 6th of January 2024. It is with a very warm heart that the Rumunduru Council of Chiefs and Elders hereby receive you as you and your entourage pay this high and executive visit to the community in Ward 1, Oregon bracket, local government area of Rivers State. Sir, we are not oblivious of the fact that there are some political challenges in Rivers State in the recent. But you still found time to show us high-level sense of care by visiting room with the community today, being 6th January 2024. We are equally not unmindful of the love and care you have been bestowing on our son, Ambassador Chijoke Hunwo, the Sasa Youth President of Nigeria. Hence, our love and loyalty to you have been doubled. His Excellency, sir, God has made it possible for you to be with us here today to inform you that the community primary school and government secondary school are seriously yearning for government's attentions to ameliorate the deteriorations therein. It may be further pointed out that the secondary school need more classrooms because it may sadden you to see students sitting on the ground due to lack of enough classrooms. Hence, we are pleading with you to approve at least a 2-story building here, and also authorize the renovations of the primary school section, which has witnessed some decays, as well as well, thereby impacting negatively on the teaching and learning processes. This will have, by our letter dated 18 January 2023, presented to the Rivers State government through the immediate past Commissioner for Education, Professor C. Mon. Also, we kindly plead with you to expand Eleohani to Enika Road, and also Oro Igwe Road, spanning from Elios to Elimbu, and other canal roads in Rumundo. Also, what I've mentioned is the stealing of our streams/canal. Sir, we would not like to overburden you with requests. Rather, we once more plead with Excellency to grant the needed interventions. Also attached is a copy of the letter mentioned earlier. Sir, we say, may God in heaven grant you the grace to overcome the present challenges and carry River State to higher heights. Long live PDP. Long live River State. Long live Federal Republic of Nigeria. Signed, is a Sapi Okene JP, is the return, the primary of the community, and Elder Melfor C. Amadi, Assistant Secretary to Council.
Please put your hands together.
Of GMRO is
please,
here
Solomon Eze,
to
please.
support the governor and to support our able youth leader, Ambassador Chijoko Ihuwo, for what he has done and his capacity to transform his people. And we are here fully support. We are here fully in support to support you to deliver your dividends of democracy to your people. We thank you very much, and God bless you all.
PDP, PDP, power to the people. The executive governor of River State, ably represented by his usefulness, Ambassador Chijoko Ihuwa, and his entourage, all protocols duly observed. We want to let the Excellency know today that the non-indigenous in Ward 1 are in his support in totality. We are supporting the executive governor of River State, Sir, similarly Joseph Fubara, in all his doings. There shall be no fear, nothing to grumble about. We are for SIM, and without SIM, there is no network. We must belong where there is network. We must belong where there is a network. No communication can be done without network. You cannot communicate to America without network. So if you see where there is no network, don't go there. We are for SIM. There's no too much words in the evening church service. I am telling you that we are for SIM and we are for him in totality. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. The indigenous, with non-indigenous in that border. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
I need to thank Ambassador Chijoko Ihuwo. He has shown Origwe a very good light. A leader, if you have only one leader in the community, you have not started. The community goes backward. I want to thank you very, very much. I want to tell Sim, what happened to him, the political coup that happened to him, it's not bad. It's to solidify him. Now, he has used this opportunity to know those who love him and those who do not love him. That is one. Two is that I'm talking on behalf of all the Igwe community. All the Igwe community, at least 90% of the Igwe people are in his support. And his what? Support. Whenever he calls us, we are going to come out. Despite what our people did by putting canopy here and there, where there's nobody, because they heard that we are coming here today. Did they succeed? No. Now, I want to thank Simi. I want to thank Simi for bringing peace between River State and Bayelsa. Now the friendship has been normalized. And I want to thank Sim for doing what no governor has done in River State by giving 100,000 naira.
To all the civil servants.
To all the civil servants. Even some of us who do not serve, we are begging you to also give us.
One of the civil servants is coming to show us this morning.
Some of us are coming.
One of the civil servants is coming to show us this morning. Oh, yeah.
Accordingly. Sim.
Our governor.
Without Sim, I cannot make a... Thank you very much.
As in Fubara, na the person we go vote for. Oh, Shaka na Paguru Voti and Miha Buroma. It go good if River State vote for Fubara. Maybe 40 person we can make our life better. Person we go for Maka, give me wine, give me Getinga. You always see na him big pass, that's the way I know. Now you are the vote for. There's some weakness, say Fubara. I just said they will say Fubara. You just let him say Fubara. Okay, Jesus say Fubara. We vote for say Fubara, 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 oh Fubara. Say Fubara, 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 oh. Say Fubara. Fubara, Fubara, oh, say Fubara, Fubara, oh, for River State. If you know you love Fubara, make a hear you say 8 years.
That is the arrival of Honorable Daliti Oji. On Sunday, when last I visit Alo, I say much good about the man. I been there Alo on Sunday. Famike, I heard good about the man. You're welcome, sir. Please put your hands together for them. Put your hands together.